After Friday's week closing, is Nifty gonna do a neutral or a bullish start? So let's look at market levels. Welcome to Trading Footprints, and this is pre-market pulse. Let's begin with global data. In the pre-market session, GIFT Nifty is up 40 points. In the normal scenarios, this is a good indicator which defines that market might open a slightly higher. But looking at today's session and Friday's closing, this is not a good strength for us so far. And looking at the 15-minute charts for Nifty's future or GIFT Nifty, we can see currently the price is trading below 200 moving average, and whatever strength we saw in the opening session is now kind of fading away. So it's a neutral sentiment for us so far. In the last session, FIIs and DIIs both did buying from their side, but the buying from FII side in cash segment was not major, and they did end up selling in other segment like options or future segments. So overall, this is a mixed or neutral sentiment from FII side. Rupee closed weak, which is a negative sentiment for us. India VIX increased to 12.03, which is also a negative sentiment, because whenever there is an increase in India VIX, it means there is some fear or volatility in the market. US market closed higher, oil trading lower, gold also trading lower. So overall, from global market sentiment or commodity sentiment, we have a good positive indication. Looking at the US market for last Friday, right, all the sectors were strong other than utilities or real estate. There was major strength in all the sectors, so which is a good indication that at least the global market or the commodities are in favor today. Looking at Indian market levels, Nifty's current level is 24,363, and in last Friday's session, Nifty has broken the major support level, which was 24,450. So now that level becomes resistance for us, that is 24,450, and the next level of resistance is going to be 24,600. Initial support is present at 24,190, which is a weak support level, and the major support level for us is going to be 24,040. There is a bear in the market, and why I am saying that there is a bear in the market, because after breaking the 24,450 level, Nifty is currently entering into a fresh selling zone or fresh selling state. And if you look at the chart, right, we have the next major support at 24,040, which is the 200-day moving average for Nifty. This is a level where if Nifty is gonna hold in the next couple of sessions, if Nifty is holding this level, we can see fresh buying from that level. But for time being, we have entered into a fresh selling territory. So overall, market can remain in the consolidation phase today. There's going to be stock specific action, and we can see some bullish sentiment only if we have a good trade deal update, or we see some short covering happening from FII side, because they have a very long kind of short position in Indian market. So if they start buying, we will see a strong bullish momentum. So make sure you follow your stop losses and